Today's topic is organic irritant poison. Abrus picatoris, also known as a rati, kuchi, chanothi, rosary beads, crab's eye. Active principle toxalbumin, abrine. Non-poisonous where Abrus picatoris seeds are intact or boiled. Toxalbumin. Toxalbumin toxic protein resembles bacterial toxin in action, agglutinate RBC with hemolytic and antigen. The fatal dose. Fatal dose is a 90 to 120 milligram by the injection or 1 to 2 crushed seeds. Crushed seeds are poisonous. Fatal period. Fatal period is 3 to 5 days. Okay. The photograph showing the plant of Abrus picatoris and seeds of the Abrus picatoris. There are two types of the seeds, white and red. Seeds are the egg-shaped, bright scarlet color with a large black spot at the one end, 8 mm long and 6 mm broad, in weight 105 milligram. The slender twinning climbing plant, woody at the base and is found all over India. The leaves are the compound feather-like with 10 to 15 pairs of the narrow leaflets and 1 to 2.5 centimeter long. Flowers are the pea-like, 1 centimeter long, purple, pink, yellowish or whitish. The seed pod is a 2.5 to 5 centimeter long, born in cluster, green when immature and becoming brown and dry, splitting open and remaining on the vine with 4 to 6 seeds exposed. Seeds are the egg-shaped, bright scarlet color with the large black spot at the one end, 8 mm to 6 mm. Seeds may be white with the black spot, all black, yellow or the blue. The action: it local irritant, cardiovascular depressant, viper bite like action. Signs and symptoms: orally, it produces gastrointestinal irritation, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, diarrhea mixed with blood, decreased blood BP, weak rapid pulse, flushing face, muscle weakness, dilated pupils, tremor, tetanic spasm, convulsion, coma, death due to circulatory collapse. Parenterally, when the extract of seeds is injected under the skins of the animal at the site, oozing, eczema, necrosis, hemolytic. In general, the hypotension, weak rapid pulse, circulatory collapse, convulsion may precede the death from cardiac failure. Then treatment: anti-abrine injections, needle dissected out from the body orally, gastric lavage, activated charcoal, purgatives, demulcent, calcium gluconate for tetany, and symptomatic treatment is given. The post-mortem appearance: in post-mortem examinations, the fragments of the needle may be found and there is a edema at the site of the injections and petechial hemorrhage under the skin, pleura, pericardium and peritoneum. The internal organs are congested and so the hemorrhage. Medico-legal importance: It used the killing the cattle and homicides and for the prepare the sui. Okay, what is sui? The sui is a prepared from the seeds are decorticated and alone mixed with the datura, opium and onion with spirit or water and made into paste and small sharp pointed spike or needle prepared which then dried in the sun and the needle are the 15 mm long and weight 90 to 120 milligrams. Two needles are inserted by their base into the holes in the wooden handle and prepared the Swiss. The blow is struck to the animal with a great force which drive the needle into the flesh. It is called the Swiss. Used by the malingering to produce the conjunctivitis. It also used as an abortifacient and contraceptive and arrow poisoning for killing the cattle. Okay. Then Ricinus communis castor, also known as the RND. It is a toxalbumin or phytotoxin causes agglutinations of RBC with the some hemolytic and its antigenic. The praise cake. Praise cake contains the ricin is a poisonous, whereas a castor oil contains the ricinolic acids which are the non-poisonous. Plant is a poisonous containing toxalbumin, ricins and allergen. The rich in purgative oils, non-poisonous when the seeds taken unbroken seeds or cook. Okay, the photograph showing the plant of the Ricinus communicus, castor seeds, also known as a RND, the seeds of the Ricinus communicus. The castor plant or RND grows all over India. The fruit is a 1.2 to 2.5 centimeter long, 3 lobe, softly spiny, blue green or the rose red when immature, brown and bristle when ripe and dry. The seeds are the smooth, flattened oval, mottled light and dark brown, white with the yellow brown or grey markings, or whole black or red. Two size big and small. The action, it blocks the protein synthesis through the inhibition of the RNA polymerase. In signs and symptoms, it produces gastrointestinal irritation, nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. Dust of the seeds may causes watering eye, conjunctivitis, sneezing, acute nasal inflammations, headache, pharyngitis, asthmatic bronchitis, and gastric upset, dermatitis, muscle cramping. Then fatal dose. Fatal dose is a 5 to 10 seeds or 6 milligram ricin. Fatal period few days, 3 to 8 days. The treatment. Treatment gastric lavage, activated charcoal, demulsion and symptomatic treatment is given. Medical legal importance. Accidental use, homicidal or suicidal use are rare. It is a used as a abortifacient and cattle poison. Then Croton tiglium, also known as Jamal gota. Crotin toxalbumin. Crotonosides is a glycosides. Oil, croton oleic acids. The action is the same. The seeds are the oval, dark brown with the longitudinal lines. They have the no smell. Croton tiglium seeds differentiated from the castor seeds. Croton tiglium seeds are the rough and dark brown with a longitudinal line is the main differentiating point of castor seeds. Signs and symptoms: diarrhea, gastrointestinal irritation, local application cause blister and vesication formations. The fatal dose 4 to 5 seeds and 1 to ml oil. Fatal period few hours to few days. The treatment: stomach wash, demulcent and symptomatic treatment is given. Postmortem finding: congestion, inflammations, erosion of the mucosa of gastrointestinal tract and internal organ. And medical legal importance: accidental poisoning result from the swallowing croton oil by the mistake. Suicidals and homicidals are the rare. It is a used as a abortive efficient. Arrow poisons and homicidals are rare. Then Semicarpus anacardium, also known as a marking nut. Okay, these are the photographs showing the plant and the seeds. Semicarpus anacardium, also known as a marking nut. It is a heart shape, also known as a bilava. Marking nut or bilava. Black heart shape with a rough projection at the base. They have a thick cellular pericarp which contain an irritant juice which is a brownish, oily and acrid but turn black on exposure to air. The active principle: semicarpol and bilvanol. Signs and symptoms: juice produce local irritant, eczematous eruption, artificial bruise, orally gastrointestinal irritation and blister on throat. Fatal dose 5 to 10 grams or 6 to 8 seeds. Fatal period 12 to 24 hours. Postmortem appearance: blister are seen in the mouth, throat and the stomach which are the congested and inflamed. Their medical legal importance: Biquax as a medicine, it produces artificial bruise and malingering. Then criminal abortions, vitriolage in vagina for infidelity, homicidals and suicidals are rare. Then calotropis, madar akado. The active principle: calotropin, calotoxin, calactin. Signs and symptoms: locally produce irritant, vesication, redness. Orally gastrointestinal irritation, dilated pupils, tetanic convulsion. Fatal dose uncertain. Fatal period few hours to few days. Calotropis gingata has a purple flower and Calotropis procera has a white flower. The treatment: gastric lavage, demulcent and symptomatic treatment is given. The medical legal importance: it is used as a malingering, abortifacient, cattle poisons, arrow poisons, quack, infanticides, criminal abortions. Then Plumbago rosea, Lal Chitra. Active principle is a plumbagin. Roots are the more poisonous. All parts of the plants are poisonous. Fatal dose uncertain. Fatal period is a few days. Symptoms: applied externally, root produce irritations and blister. Taken internally, there is a burning pain from the mouth to stomach, vomiting, thirst, diarrhea, collapse on death. Postmortem appearance, signs of the gastroenteritis and congestion of internal organs are found. Medical legal importance, it is used as a abortifacient, cattle poisons and artificial bruise. Then Argemona mexicana. Seeds are the more poisonous. Active principle berberine, protoprine, schwangerine, edible oil contaminations. Signs and symptoms circulatory collapse, abortion, epidemic dropsy, general neuropathy. Treatment is removal of the oil and symptomatic treatment and physiotherapy is given. Then ergot claviceps purpura or fungus, vasoconstricting agent. Active principle is 30 alkaloids, ergotoxin, ergometrin, ergotamine. Signs and symptoms. Acute poisoning produce gastrointestinal irritation, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, vasoconstrictions, hypertension, contraction of the smooth muscles, respiratory distress. Chronic poisoning produce convulsion, pain, twitching, tingling, numbness of the muscles, convulsion, gangrenous, burning pain, hot and cold alternations, tingling and numbness. The fatal dose is 2 gram, 10 to 12 ml of the fluids. Fatal period is a few hours. Treatment emetics, gastric lavage, purgative, nitrates, vitamin A, pentobarbital, and symptomatic treatment is given. Then medical legal importance, abortifacient, accidental, chronic use for migraine.